Let's discuss one important theorem. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to whole triangle and to each other. Okay, first let's do right angle triangle. This is one right angle triangle. Right angle HB. Okay, if perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse. This is a vertex. Draw one perpendicular on hypotenuse. Okay, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, or similar to whole triangle. It means triangle AB, this point is M. Triangle ABC is similar to smaller triangle AMB and MBC to the whole triangle and to each other. Each other means triangle 1 is similar to triangle 2. Okay, smaller triangles. To prove triangle ABC is similar to smaller triangle AMB. Next, triangle ABC is similar to triangle MBC. Okay, MBC and smaller triangles. Triangle AMB is similar to triangle MBC. Okay, here construction is draw BM. Draw BM perpendicular to AC. Okay, first consider triangle ABC and triangle AMB. See, triangle ABC and triangle AMB. Here A is the common angle. Okay, A is the common angle. Angle A equal to angle A, common angle. Okay, and angle B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, angle B equal to 90 degrees and angle AMB, this is 90 degrees. Okay, angle B equal to angle AMB, each 90. Here using angle similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMB. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMB. Here using angle similarity criteria. Next, consider triangle ABC and triangle 2 MBC. See this figure? Here we consider triangle ABC and triangle MBC. Okay, here C is the common angle. Angle C equal to angle C. Common angle, and angle B equal to 90 degrees and angle CMB equal to 90 degrees. Angle B equal to angle CMB equal to 90 degrees. Okay, here using angle similarity criteria. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle angle C equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle M remaining MBC. So okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle VMC. Here using angle similarity criteria. Next, consider smaller triangle AMB and MBC. Okay, consider triangle AMB and triangle MBC, smaller triangles. Here angle AMB equal to angle CMB, each 90 degrees. Okay, angle AMB equal to angle CMB, each 90 degrees. Next, see first case, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMB. Okay, bigger triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMB. Okay, here A is a common angle, A equal to A. Next, B equal to angle AMB. Okay, in triangle, in both the triangles, corresponding two angles are equal, so corresponding third angle also equal. Okay, so see triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMB. A and common angle and angle B equal to angle M. Next, angle C, this is angle C. Angle C equal to third angle, angle C equal to B. Okay, this is the angle B, ABM. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Here 1 equal to 2, corresponding in both the triangles, corresponding two angles are equal, then corresponding third angle also equal. Okay, in bigger triangle, angle C equal to smaller triangle angle B. Okay, so angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Here using angle similarity criteria, triangle AMB is similar to triangle M equal to M. Next, 1 in smaller triangle, 1 means B remaining BMC. Okay, here we need to prove these 3 cases. Okay, so we have proved 3 cases, hence proved.